want to show you how you can go from zero to a few bucks of dollars by simply implementing the YouTube automation system that is currently in vogue. I know you've heard about YouTube automation randomly almost everywhere, on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube and everywhere, but hold on, before you scroll past, I need to let you know that I have actually practiced the YouTube automation, and I want to show you that clearly on my screen and how I've done that. Now, if you notice, in the last 3 weeks, I have not published a lot of video on my YouTube channel, basically even no video at all on my YouTube channel. And that's because every video I turn out on my YouTube channel, I try to make sure that I have practiced it and then show my viewers what it actually takes, if it actually works or if it doesn't work. Now, in the case of YouTube automation, I've taken out the last 4 weeks to actually practice it, and I have some few results I want to share with you, and then you'll be able to decide for yourself if this is a path you're willing to tread or not. All right, now you can follow me to my screen. I have 2 running YouTube channels. I have about 4 YouTube channels, but currently I have 2 running YouTube channels. One is the one you're currently watching this video on, and the other is the one for YouTube automation that I'm about to show you. Now, how much have I made from YouTube channel? This current YouTube channel on which I'm showing you currently, you can see I have 2,195 subscribers. Now, you need 4,000 watch hours, excuse me, and 1,000 subscribers to actually monetize any YouTube channel. But truth be told, I have not monetized this YouTube channel on which you're currently watching this video, and I'm very close. I'm about I think 1.3 watch hours down to go to monetize it, which should happen before the end of next month. But have I been able to make money from this present YouTube channel you're watching this video on without monetizing it? Yes, I have. How I've been able to do that, I'm not going to delve into that details in this video because that will make it too bulky. I'm going to create a video. Tomorrow I'm going to publish a video. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, this might be a good time for you to subscribe so that you see that video, and it's going to show you how you can actually make money from YouTube channel even without monetizing your YouTube channel. Now, back to what we're talking about. Now, this is my current YouTube channel on which this video is actually playing, but the one I've actually practiced YouTube automation on is this. Boom, you can see it. Now, like I said earlier, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, what you can see clearly here on my channel is that I currently have 723.5 thousand views on this channel, and you can see clearly it is written here in the past 28 days. I also have 3.6 thousand, that is 3,600 current watch hours, and this also happened in the last 28 days. Now, I have 2,300 subscribers, right? Now, if all I need to actually monetize the YouTube channel is 1,000 watch subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it will mean that I am just 0.4, which is 400 watch hours down to go to actually monetize my YouTube channel. And you can see clearly here, it is written in the last 28 days. Now, to prove to you that this is not a fluke, I'm just going to go on to refresh this page, which is this YouTube channel. I'm just going to come here and go to my YouTube studio, and then would allow it to load for some minutes just to prove to you that actually this is not a fluke, or I didn't just get this from someone's channel. And I'm showing you can see clearly here the same thing, 2,551 watch hours. And then we'll go to the analytics of this channel, and let's see if it's going to show us what it showed us earlier. You can see I proved what I said is correct. Still the same thing. Now, every of this thing happened between May 29th and June 25th. Now, today is the 27th of June rather. So everything I've done on this channel has happened in this time frame. Now, how have I been able to do this? Very simple. YouTube automation is simply a system where you do not really need to show your face, but you get to use an enhancer, a tool to actually create content that you can share on your YouTube channel. Now, how do you need to actually do this? The first thing you need to do to actually go on to YouTube automation is to find a niche that actually works. Now, I know you've heard about niche a lot of times. Everybody talks about YouTube niche, the niche that works, the niche that this, the niche that this, blah, blah, blah. But the fact that the truth has been polluted does not reduce the truth. All right, it is still the truth. Some people might have polluted it, but it's still the truth. And the truth is that you need a YouTube channel, you need a YouTube niche that is actually not very saturated. Now, chances are that you can find a YouTube channel, a niche rather, that has been saturated. Now, every niche that has been saturated, there is also a way to go about it. And that way to go about it is actually work in bulk, which means publish content. If your contemporaries or people in your industry, in your niche, are posting 2 videos or 1 video every day, if you come in the game, you need to publish at least 5 to 6, 7, 10 videos. At least, probably if you're doing YouTube shorts, you should publish at least 5 shorts every single day. If you're doing long form videos, you should be able to publish at least one video every single day, because there is this thing about YouTube that works with numbers. Yes, there is the whole quality thing, but there is another thing called the quantity, all right? Because if you're into digital marketing, you would know that if you're able to reach 1,000 people, chances are that only about 50 or 0.5% of that whole population is actually going to patronize you, or actually look up what you're selling, all right? So 2 things: you need to get a niche that is not saturated. And if the niche is saturated, then you need to, publish content in bulk. Now, having decided a niche you want to use, what else do you want to do? The next thing you want to do is to actually determine what kind of content, or how do I go about creating my content. Now, I'm going to mention a few niches for you that you can decide to leverage. One of them is summarizing movies, which is just talking about movie reviews and all that stuff. Now, movie reviews is quite simple and straightforward, which means you just take a movie that is currently trending. For instance, let's say the Black Panther is trending. You take Black Panther, you create shots from this video. Now, how much are you going to make from short? Does short make the same amount as normal video? I'll get into that later on. So you create short from this video, because in my opinion, the fastest way you can actually gain a lot of subscribers on YouTube is through YouTube shorts. And then you simultaneously create regular videos, because that's the way your subscription is going to grow, by creating shorts, and then your watch hour is going to grow by creating regular videos, because watch hours from YouTube shorts does not count for a YouTube channel. All right, so, and what you need to monetize is about 10 million YouTube shorts, 10 million views on a YouTube short, to actually monetize a YouTube channel, or 4,000 watch hours. That is in addition to the 1,000 subscribers. And if you ask me, either of this is achievable if you just get the right niche. Now, for me personally, how have I been able to do this, right? Like I said, a lot of YouTubers will not show you what I'm showing you right now, or what I'm about to show you, because people are going to copy my secret and all that. But I feel like the sky is big enough for all of us to fly, right? This I'm teaching you right now is what some people would actually give out for a premium course and paid course and all that. But again, this is what I do on my channel. I almost give everything out for free. All right, now I use this platform called Ideogram to create my pictures. Now, Ideogram is free, absolutely free, but there's a limit. I think you can create about 13 pictures every day. Now, I have created a video on how you can use Ideogram to actually generate content. Now, if you want to see that video, the full video of that, because I can't go into detail showing you how that works, because that would mean this video will be too long. All right, I just use Ideogram. All right, I create images. All right, I compile these images in a video, add a soundtrack, and that's it. I've made a video or a short. Now, what I do is that myself and my team we're able to create this content in bulk and publish it on our channel and make sure that we are consistent. Now, having known this, I can't go into detail, but now you know what I used to create my content. If you want to know more about it, you just have to watch the other video, which is going to be shown at the end of this video, and it's going to be in the description below, how to use Ideogram to create content. Also, there's also a video I created on how to, it's an AI. There's also a video I created on different AIs you can actually use to make money online. It's also in the description below. If you want to see that, you can watch that. Now, there are a few things that you need to know after actually creating your content to succeed in the YouTube space. One is consistency. Let me go back a little bit. The first thing is quality. Now, you can't just create anything and just dump it there and expect people to resonate. The truth is that even if one of your content eventually, by some form of magic, gets 50 million views, chances are that your subscribers will not stay, because your follow-up content are actually not good. So quality is very important. The next thing you want to actually take note of is quantity. Now, people tell you a lot of the time, just if you can just post one video every week, that era has passed. that era of YouTube where you can post one video every week, so you get to post 4 videos in a month. Come on, think about it. About 30 days in a month, and you post 4 videos every single month. Chances are that people are going to move on. People are going to move on from you, all right? Because there are other people who are hot and ready. So quality, the first thing; quantity, which is the next thing. You need to at least churn out video every single day, because your subscribers are out there. It's like customers. You need to keep feeding them. If not, they're going to get somebody else and move on from you. And moving on from you does not mean that, oh, they stop subscribing to your channel. It just simply means that they stop watching your videos or stop taking your channel seriously. And also, YouTube algorithm actually support people who post videos every day, right? Now, so quantity. Now, the next thing is quality, because yes, we're talking about quantity, which means posting. Somebody might want to ask me, what's the difference between consistency and quantity? Quantity simply means you can decide to post 1 million videos or 100 videos in one day and disappear from YouTube till another 50 days. It doesn't work like that. If you're having 100 videos, instead of posting 100 videos in one day, break it down into 10 days if you do not have the time. Then post 10 videos every day. In 10 days, you have content for 10 days. And if you cannot do 10 days, you can break it down into 5 videos every day, which means you have content for 5 content per day would give you at least 20 days of content, which means you're consistent and you're still doing quality and quantity. All right, guys. So if you feel like I gave you value for your time, you might want to subscribe to this video at this point. Now, having done this, eventually, as long as you stay consistent, you do not get tired, because the truth is that you can get weary. That's one thing with YouTube. It's so easy. Anybody can tell you, do this and you make money from it. But chances are that after a while, you just get exhausted. It's frustrating sometimes. It's like sometimes the views are not adding up. A lot of things, subscribers are not subscribing as much, but you have to stay consistent. That is where consistent comes. The last thing and not the least is patience. You have to be patient. Just like any business, you don't buy a property today, open a business point or a supermarket and expect customers to just flood your supermarket in one day. It takes time. It takes time to build trust, to build consistency, and to build customer relationship. All right, guys. So now, again, like I said, if you feel like I gave you value for your time, you might want to hit on the subscribe button. If it's your first time, like this video so that more people will get to see it. See you in my next video. And